Okay, so our framing corner half lap. So for this one, I'm actually going to draw one piece of solid wood and then draw our half lap in the other piece, assemble them, and then use the combine tool. So our first piece of wood is going to be our whole solid rectangle. So let's draw him this way. So he's going to be 100 tall and 42 wide. Finish that sketch. We're going to extrude him out 19. And there's our first piece of wood. Now our second piece is going to be our half lap. So I'm going to sketch him off this front face. I'm just going to draw him over here to the side. So he's going to be 100 long and 42 down. But I also need to draw the rectangle for my half lap in there. So my half lap's going to be 42 by 42. Finish my sketch. And I'm just going to extrude both of them this way at 19. And turn my sketch back on. I'm going to extrude him back in 9.5. Turn my sketch off. And there's my half lap created. Now he is drawn the wrong way, but we can fix that. So let's just right click on body 2. Let's change his appearance first so he's a dark colour. And then we're going to rotate him around. So we're going to grab that piece there. And we're just going to rotate him using this axis. And we're going to go 180. Now we have those two pieces. We need to assemble them and combine them. So number one, when we assemble, is we need components. And a right click body 1, create a component. Right click body 2, create a component. Number 2, when we assemble it, is to ground it. So if I right click and ground this piece, it means it can't move around anymore. This one can, this one can't. And number 3, we then need to create our joint. So if I come up to my joint tool, I need to find two parts of this piece that are going to align. So I could use this outside edge in the middle and this outside edge, but I can't use the middle because this one, it needs to be in the middle up here, whereas the middle of this piece is down here. So let's try the top corner facing up and the top corner facing up. So see how the blue line's the right way? If I go this way, it'll go a different direction, but I need it with my blue line facing up and it'll slot nicely straight in. So the last thing I need to do is use my combine tool to cut the blonde piece out with the dark piece. So combine, I'm going to target the lighter color piece. The tool's going to be the dark piece. We're going to cut it and we're going to keep our tool there. And so now you can see it's cut out each piece using the half lap that we sketched out on component number 2.